What's good, guys? This is your boy Peter. Thank you so much for guys who've been subscribing to my channel, because of the previous videos that I've been posting. But I also feel the need of actually talking about this big elephant in the room, where so many people don't want to talk about it, but it's here, and this is AI. Okay. Just recently, not long ago, there was also another AI launched up, called Devin, and I'm gonna talk about it. I hope I'm not really late when talking about it because it's not yet launched. But they say that this was created by a company called Cognition, okay, and Cognition company and AI. We have so many AI tools that are out there, okay? And I also feel like it's very important also for software developers to understand the need of understanding what is AI and trying to learn more about AI, because we cannot just assume that AI is not here. And as much as we know right now, it's a very big topic among software developers where they feel like AI is here to replace them. I don't really think we at that point where AI is here to replace us. I feel like there are lots of information actually that these AIs are supposed to be fed with for it to get to a point where it's going to replace the human thinking and how humans actually break down information. But take these AI tools as as a helpful tool for you to improve your code, for you to finish your work on time. Okay, so we have lots of AI tools that I've been seeing actually coming up every week. Actually, we've been having AI tool like the one that we saw just being launched the other day, which is Devin, and so many software engineers are really actually very afraid of it. And just to go through what that thing can do, so I'm gonna show you a little bit. I just created some notes. Okay, so I created some notes using just created some notes here. So Devin might refer to the world's first AI software engineer created by a company called Cognition company. Now, Devin is designed to help with complex coding tasks, okay? And you understand that it's designed to help. And who is this thing helping? It's helping us software engineers. It can plan, it can analyze, and even write code, freeing up human engineers for more creative problem solving. So these tools that we have right now, like Devin that is coming up here, it is here actually to make us actually really focus on the problem, rather than trying to focus on the coding on how to build up these things. That at the end of the day, we as a software developer, one of the most important skills that you need to have is being able to solve problems. Okay, so Devin capabilities: number one, plans and execute complex coding tasks. So Devin can break down a large project into steps and then complete them using its own tools like code editor and web browser. Wow, this is awesome. Actually, this is out of the world actually, because this is something that I haven't seen with AI. So actually, I'm really waiting for it to come out so that I can see how well it works, and I know over time such a tool will keep on actually getting better and better. Okay, but the only way this thing can help you is once you get to understand it and learn, so because there are so many people out here who don't understand what AI is all about. Many people who don't understand what Devin tool is all about. So you can use this actually to your own advantage. Okay, so we also see that learns and improves. Okay, it has the capability of learning and improving. Over time, Devin gets better at its own job by understanding the preferences of human engineers it works with. At the end of the day, this software has to work with the human engineers, you know. So it's very, very important to know that this thing is not here to replace you, as so many software developers think. Okay, so we also see that it can work independently or collaboratively. Devin can tackle tasks on its own, okay, or work alongside human engineers for review. At the end of the day, you have to review the code. You know, these AIs are not yet capable of reviewing codes or analyzing and seeing where the problem is coming in. So instead of software developers getting to a point where they're so much scared about the AI that is coming in, I feel it's also very important actually to take this advantage of the AI that is coming in and learn more as much as you can when it comes to this AI. Okay. So that's what I have to like just let you know. Um, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. I'm going to be posting more videos as far as AI is concerned. Okay. So yeah, drop a comment. Let me know what you think about this. Let's engage with this AI thing. Okay. Peace out.